All right, let's show you this stunning group of fabrics. I mean, this is just amazing. We're going to start with, this is kind of like a transitional period, kind of the rest of what we have. Everything else that we have is really springy. But I love these fabrics, and they really are year-round. This first one is a gray and a white. You can see both sides are usable. It's 100% cotton. It's a woven. These are all Alexander Wang, by the way. It's a woven. There's 100% cotton. It's just stunning. Then we have this velour, and someone asked me for a velour, so I've got 2 pieces, and it's all I've got. This is a gray, blends really beautifully with both of these fabrics. It is 100% cotton, stretch in both directions. Oh, just love this stuff. Then we have, this is 100% silk. Would this be just a stunning blouse? Or a lightweight jacket, either one. It's just really beautiful. Anyway, I love that. If you look really close, or for a while, it looks like ladies dancing. It's really pretty. Anyway, 100% silk. It is, like I said, it's a woven, there's no stretch to it, and it's an Alexander Wang. And then we have this beautiful stripe, which would be a lovely companion to this. This is 100% cotton. You can see a little bit see-through, but you know, not if it were against your body. 100% cotton, and it's a woven. And then this is really a beautiful, it's a corduroy, but it's a velvet corduroy. And it's a stretch woven. And of course, the stretch is the direction where the corduroy can go up and down. Great pair of pants, a jacket, just really beautiful. Again, 100% cotton. This is the last piece, and this is the velour. Alexander Wang, it says it's a soft stretch velour. We don't have very many yards of it. This is all we've got. It's 83% cotton, 17% polyester. And it has stretch in one direction. A little bit of stretch in both directions. But it's a soft cotton stretch velour. You guys have fun with these, and just happy sewing. There's just so many great fabrics. All right, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.